Hello, and I welcome you all to a brand new series of smartphone scorecard. In this series, we'll be giving marks to smartphones out of 100, and let's see which smartphone holds its position to the top and which smartphone fails to impress its customers. So without wasting any much time, my name is Mudassir and you're watching The Muddy Show. So based on these parameters, we'll be allocating marks to OnePlus 7 Pro category number 1, that is the build quality. OnePlus 7 Pro comes with an aluminium chassis that is sandwiched between two slabs of glass, which feels really solid at hand. Unfortunately, OnePlus devices still lacks any IP certification, but yeah, still it's dust and water resistant to some extent. But I still advise you guys not to plunge your device into a bucket or a glass of water. And yes, OnePlus 7 Pro comes with a screen protection. So out of 10, I'll give OnePlus 7 Pro 8 marks in this category, and I deduct 2 marks because it lacks IP certification. Number 2 comes to the screen. It comes with 6.67 inches of Fluid AMOLED panel with Quad HD resolution. So I give OnePlus 15 out of 15 for this category. Number 3 comes the processor. Snapdragon 855 is the heart and soul of this mobile handset. So out of a score of 10, so I give 10 out of 10 for the processor. Now comes the storage. Here we'll be considering the RAM, ROM and the expandable memory. OnePlus comes with a RAM of 6, 8 and 12 gigabytes with ROM 128 to 256 gigabytes. And unfortunately, it does not have any expandable storage. So I give OnePlus 8 out of 10 for this category. Now comes the battery. In the battery section, we'll be considering the capacity of the battery, whether it supports fast charging or not, whether its fast charger is provided in the box or not, whether it supports wireless charging, and what type of USB port it has. So OnePlus 7 Pro has a 4000 mAh battery and it comes with 30-watt dash charger. It's one of the fastest in its kind. Unfortunately, OnePlus 7 Pro does not come with wireless charging, but it has a USB Type-C port. So OnePlus scores 8 out of 10 in this category. Now comes the operating system. OnePlus 7 Pro comes with Android 9 Pie out of the box. And yes, it does receive timely updates from OnePlus. And OnePlus has its own version of Android, that is Oxygen OS, and it's the fastest version of Android that is available as of now. So OnePlus scores 10 out of 10 in this category. Now comes the category number 7, that is the sensors. OnePlus 7 Pro does not skip on any sensors, and yes, unlike iPhone XR, it does have compass. So OnePlus scores 5 out of 5 in this category. Now comes the 8th category, that is the camera. OnePlus 7 boasts a total of 4 cameras with 3 at the back and 1 at the front. It has a combination of 48, 16 and 6 megapixel of camera, where 48 megapixel is the primary camera that comes with optical image stabilization. 16 megapixel is an ultra-wide camera, and the 6 megapixel is a telephoto lens that comes with 3x optical zoom. And the front-facing camera has a pop-up mechanism that has 16 megapixel of camera. So OnePlus scores 9 out of 10 in this category. Now comes the 9th category, that is the price. OnePlus 7 Pro comes at a price of approximately 49,000 rupees. And yes, it's a value for money device, so you can go for it. So OnePlus scores 13 out of 15 in this category. Now the last point is that whether it has bending issues, whether it has heating issues, whether it's durable or not, what is the availability of the device and how is the after sales service. So OnePlus scores a total 10 out of 10 in this category. So summing up, OnePlus scores 96 out of 100 on my scale. And yes, so it's a value for money device, and yes, you can go for OnePlus 7 Pro when it hits the market. In the next video, we'll be doing a comparative study between OnePlus 7 Pro and Pixel 3a XL. If you have any suggestion and question for this video, do write down in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and share this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, as I'll be bringing you such awesome content on a daily basis. Thank you, and you have a beautiful day.